Are we on? Well, this is Mr. Bell's fish. This is Mrs. Bell's fish. You can see it is a touch longer, which means it's a touch bigger. So therefore we'll fill it, the big one first. So you go behind the gill, down the belly, up to the fin, you go around the fin. It's actually a piece of cartilage around the fin that feels like a loonie. Just get rid of that and go around it. As long as you can go around it. Throw it in the gut pail. Up here, the spine. Ooh, this is a big one. Down to the tail. Flip it over. And you take the skin off. Just like that. Then you wait to take the ribs out till you have the next fillet out. Ooh, look at his big juicy belly. This one you have to hold the knife at a different angle so you get along the spine. From here, get in the spine. Oop. In the fin. And then you take the skin off. There you go. All clean. Now you take the ribs off. Ribs are right here. You can feel them. And you just take your knife and you can feel under the ribs. Lots of kind of juicy stuff from the belly left in there. Close to the spine. There you go. Then it's ready.
To the Y bone.
Now you have to do the Y bone. Let's clean it off a bit. You can see there's a little white line, and you can hear the ticks. The Y bone is called the Y bone because it's shaped like the letter Y. There's a little extra. When you open it up like this, you can see there's the Y bone right along there. All those white things, that's the Y bone. And the top of the Y bone is here. So I go under the Y, the big part of the Y, and then slide along the bottom of the Y, the stem of the Y. Paper fine cut in this piece is the part that you don't want to eat. It's the Y bone. There it is. Supper for one.